Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So we are back at CVS for the second week of the CVS sales ad. So we're going to go over all the new deals with the new digital coupons we got and any differentiations between last week and this week at the beginning of the video. And then I'll go over all the repeat deals towards the end of the video. And if you guys did not already see it, I did post a step-by-step rolling extra bucks breakdown video here on YouTube Shorts, as well as on my other short form platforms, so TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you guys are not already following those, you can go and look me up. I'm at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled, so you can follow me on there. And with that being said, let's get into the new deals this week. One new deal that we have this week is on Nivea men's body wash. They're buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab two of them at $5.99, totaling $11.98. And we have a $2 digital coupon that we just got. So you'll be left to pay $9.98, and then you'll earn back a $7 extra buck. And then you can also submit your receipt for the second one that you did not use a digital coupon for to the Inbox Dollars rebate app for $2 back there. So it'll make your final cost just 98 cents for two, or 49 cents each. Again, this week we have the Garnier Fructis that are on sale for 2 for $9, and buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So grab two, pay $9, you'll earn back the $5, and then you can also submit to Ibotta for $3 back on two, making your final cost just $1 for two, or 50 cents each. If you do want to do this deal, you'll have to do it quick because the Ibotta does have a timer on it. The buy one, get back a $5 extra buck deal on CeraVe is working on the small size cleansers at $6.69. So that would make these just $1.69, or the moisturizing cream, those are $7.49. So it'd make them just $2.49 after the extra buck back. You can also grab the foaming cleanser bar that's $8.79, and that would make it just $3.79 after the $5 extra buck back. We still have the $5 CRT on L'Oreal facial care, so you can grab the toner at $8.59, and this will be just $3.59 after the CRT. You can also grab the collagen filler moisturizers at $12.99. Use the $5 CRT on this, and we have a new $3 digital coupon. So after $8 in coupons coming off, it would make it just $4.99. Another way that you can do the deal is doing the extra buck promotion for spend $45 and you get back a $20 extra buck. So you can grab this midnight serum at $46.49. You can use the $5 CRT, a 5 off 25 L'Oreal CRT, and the $6 manufacturer coupon that's attaching to this. And you'd pay $30.49, earning back your $20 extra buck. And that's going to make this over $46 serum just $10.49 after the coupons and extra buck back. Another way you can do the extra buck deal is grabbing this Cell Renewal Moisturizer at $32.49 and one of the collagen moisturizers at $12.99. These two would total $45.48, and then you can use the 5 off 25 CRT, the $5 instant CRT, the $6 digital for the moisturizer for the Cell Renewal, and the $3 digital for the collagen. You'd pay $26.48, earn back the $20 extra buck, making both items just $6.48. You can grab one of the CoverGirl brow pencils at $6.29 and stack together the $4 CRT that we have on CoverGirl Cosmetics and the $2 eye digital, and that would make it just 29 cents. You can grab one of these Neutrogena lip glosses at $11.99. These are spend $10, get back a $5 extra buck, and we do have a $3 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $8.99, earn back the $5 extra buck, and that's going to make one of these just $3.99. You can also grab some of the lip masks as well. I know those are also $11.99. This week, the YWEKTYQ twin pack refills, as well as the single essential oil mist refills, are $6.99 each, and spend $15, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two of the twin pack refills and two of the single essential mists, totaling $27.96. We do have buy one, get one free digital coupons, taking up a max value of $6.99 for the twin packs, and for the singles, we have two separate buy one, get one free coupons. So with those, you'd pay $13.98 after those, earn back your $3 extra buck, making all 4 YWEKTYQ items just $10.98. The Well-Market popcorn are on sale for $2.49 each, so what you could do is grab 4 of them, totaling $9.96. I know all my accounts always get the 2 off 8 Well-Market snack CRT, so using that you'd end up paying just $7.96 for all 4 bags, or just $1.99 each. Aveeno lotion is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these lotions at $11.59, totaling $17.38, and use a 5 off 2 digital. You'd be left to pay $12.38, earning back your $5 extra buck, makes 2 of these $7.38. Another Neutrogena makeup remover wipe deal that my store's also sold out of is the 25 count, $6.99, and buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck. So grab 2, totaling $13.98, and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $9.98, earning back that that $7 extra buck, and that's going to make 2 packs just $2.98. That is definitely a better deal than the makeup remover wipe deal in the makeup section, the 21 count. I wanted to show you guys an Activate Rewards rebate scenario. So what you want to do is grab 2 of the body lotions and then pair with these 2 of the 25 count Neutrogena makeup remover wipes that my store sold out of. So all 4 of those items would total $31.36. You can use the 5 off 2 for the lotions and the 4 off 2 for the wipes, and you'd be left to pay $22.36, and then you'll earn back a total of $12 in extra bucks for the 2 deals. And then you can also take your receipt and submit it for the Activate Rewards rebate on activaterewards.com/newyear for spend 30, and you get back a $10 Visa card. So that's going to make your final cost for all 4 items just 36 cents, a really great deal. I'll have the Activate Rewards linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. Aveeno facial care is buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the daily moisturizing cleansers at $8.79. 2 of those would total $17.58 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $12.58, earning back the $5 extra buck makes 2 of these $7.58. Cetaphil products are spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of these skincare items. In my store, the cheapest ones are $11.79. So 2 would total $23.58. And we do have a $4 digital and a separate $3 digital. So that would take off $7. You'd be left to pay $16.58, earning back your $10 extra buck. And that would make both products just $6.58. Again, this week we have the Lysol deal, the dual action are $10.99, buy 1 get 1 free, and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 at $10.99, you can use a 2 off 2 digital coupon that we just got. You'd pay $8.99, and after the $3 extra buck back, it would make 2 of these just $5.99 or $2.99 each. The same deal applies to the Finish 11 count. They're $9.99 and buy 1 get 1 free. So grab 2 of them and you can use a $2 digital coupon. You'd pay $7.99, earn back the $3 extra buck, making 2 of them just $4.99 or $2.49 each. The Lysol toilet bowl cleaners are buy 1 get 1 50% off and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So grab 2 totaling $6.43 and you can use a 75-cent digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $5.68, and after the $3 extra buck back, it would make 2 of them $2.68. The large size of the Purex detergent are on sale for $9.99 and buy 1 get back a $4 extra buck. So that makes it just $5.99, and check if you have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. That'll make it just $4.49. The Fabreze sprays are on sale for 20% off, so that makes them just $3.99 at my store, and we do have a $2 digital coupon. So that'll make one of them just $1.99, and these are also included in the spend 30 get 10 deal this week. Speaking of the spend 30 get 10 deal, here's a scenario that you can do with the Big Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $13.49, the Tide Pods on sale for $13.49, and the Fabreze on sale for $3.99, totaling $30.97. We do have a $3 digital coupon for the Downy. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $2 for the Fabreze. You'd be left to pay $22.97, earning back the $10 extra buck for spending $30 before coupons, which would make all 3 products just $12.97. The all detergent are on sale for $4.99 and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 1 of the liquid and 1 of the pods, totaling $9.98. You would pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. And then check Ibotta if you still have the $1.50 Ibotta rebates for each of the liquid and the pods. After getting back $3 from Ibotta, if you still have those, it would make both of the detergents just $2.98. Okay, check the deodorant aisle for clearance. There's a lot of clearance right now, like the Secret Clinical. I was really excited to see this. The Secret Clinical was marked as low as like 60 to 75% off at my store. I did scan the Secret Clinical unscented, and they're actually ringing up for $4.99, so you can grab 2 totaling $9.98 and use a 7 off 2 digital, making 2 of them just $2.98, so I'm definitely picking these up. In the travel size section, the CVS Health mouthwash are $2.39, and we do have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate of a limit of 1. So you can grab 1 of them for 89 cents. And you can also grab the CVS toothbrushes that are $1.09. We have a $1 rebate, making them just 9 cents. I will have Ibotta linked in the description box and the pinned comment if you guys are not already signed up to get a $5 bonus. The Crest toothpaste are on sale for $4.99 each for the bigger ones. You can grab 2 totaling $9.98, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $5.98, earning back a $4 extra buck on 2, making 2 of them $1.98. Shick razors are spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab 1 of the women's Hydro Silk at $13.49 and 1 of the men's Shick at $13.49, totaling $26.98, and use a 5 off 25 Shick CRT. We also have a $3 digital for the women's and a $3 digital for the men's. So you'll be left to pay $15.98, earning back your $10 extra buck, and that'd make your final cost for both razors just $5.98 for both, or $2.99 each, which is a good deal. Dove hand soap is buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So grab two at $5.39 totaling $8.08 and use a $2 off one digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $6.08, earning back your $4 extra buck for buying two. Makes both of them just $2.08. The soft soap hand soap is $2.49 and buy two get back a $2 extra buck. So that makes both of them, buying two of these after getting back that $2 extra buck, just $1.49 each. And the exact same deal applies to the Irish Spring 3-count bar soap, which I think is personally the better deal. $2.49 and buy two get back a $2 extra buck, making each 3-pack just $1.49. We do have a gift card promotion for spend $50 and get back a $10 extra buck. Included brands are Lowe's, Under Armour, Chili's, the Spa gift card, JCPenney, and more. Just check which ones are tagged at your store. So if you like any of those brands, it's a good way to earn some extra bucks. We do still have a $2 rebate on CVS pill cases, included as this heavy duty one at $2.49. So after the $2 Ibotta rebate back, that would make this just 49 cents, which is a great deal. And check if your store has the cheaper ones, because some of the cheaper ones are also attaching to the $2 rebate. So for receipts this week for what I actually bought, I did the Cetaphil deal again this week on a different account, grabbed two of the cleansers at $11.79 and used the $7 in digital coupons, paid $16.58 and then earned back the $10 extra buck. So made my net cost for two of these Cetaphil items just $6.58. I also did do the L'Oreal Night Serum deal, so I ended up paying a net cost of $30.49, and then I earned back the $20 extra bucks, making my net cost for this serum just $10.49. I used as many extra bucks as I had on this account. I didn't have quite enough to cover for it, but I'm really happy to earn back this high value extra buck to use for rolling next week. And then I still had the 7 off 2 secret coupon on my second account, so I bought two more of the clearance $4.99 deodorants that my store had in stock, used that 7 off 2 digital coupon, so it made this transaction a net cost of just $2.98 for two of these, or about $1.49 each. I decided to pick these up because that's a really good savings on the Secret Clinical. And finally, I grabbed 4 of the Well Market popcorn, used the 2 off 8 Well Market CRT, so made my final cost just $7.96 for all 4 of these, or $1.99 each, which I thought was a really good deal. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section down below, and what your favorite deal was, what you're picking up this week, and then we'll catch you guys next week for a brand new 2-week ad.